Terry loves the scrapbook. You know she can't help herself. She loves scrapping more than anything else. Da, 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 da. Except for her hubby, 'cause he's so handsome. She can't help herself. She loves him and nobody else. Da, 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 da.
And there you have it. Okay, today we are scrapping with the 30 days of sketches with Chrissy's Beautiful Life. And we are on day 18. Let's see, that means we have 13 days left. Yeah. Okay, and Deb Tallboard is our sketch artist today. And she has 2 horizontals, 1 vertical. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'll put it up there. I never know where to point. And then she's got like a quarter circle where they look like they're tucked underneath. And then we have a little piece here that looks like a quarter circle, and up here like a quarter circle. And you could take them like they are, or you know, where you're putting your embellishments. So I'm gonna do a little bit of both. So I have my oldest granddaughter, and we calculated that she was about 3. It was at my 3rd daughter's graduation, and she would have just got a new baby sister. Let's see, about 3 months before this. And so so it's like her little sister wasn't playing much, so she was playing, and we're kind of in the shadows here. I think we were out back for quite a while until we all probably got too much sun, and then went into the front yard where the shade was. So I'm gonna put this down here, and I think I'm taking it almost to the top. And let me see, I'm gonna make sure. Oh, and this gingham paper that I'm using is It's a Girl Flower Meadow from Echo Park. And okay, yep, that looks good. So, and this is a 1 paper deal here, so that works out really good. And oh, and let me show you the back, because I almost used that. I mean, my plan was to use the gingham, but I almost used this because that's really cute too, and it would have worked. And I just kind of worked from her dress here. But oh, actually, this is my collection obsession. So I just thought, you know what, there's enough papers in there that are these colors that's why I am using this. And I love gingham, you know. And it's the collection obsession. It is, what's it called? Do you think I got anything out here? I think it's called Vintage Berry Fields. And I had bought things from the Peachy Cheap. I'm gonna try to talk and do this at the same time. I got things at Peachy Cheap, but none of them were 12 by 12 papers. So I just worked up my own papers. Oh, you know what? I might have to push this up a little bit more, because I don't want to cover up her bubbles, because it's like, you know, we had a picnic, and then she got to play with bubbles. So I thought it was cute. And this one, it's like, I think one of us was blowing bubbles and it got her, and she's trying to wipe them off her, but she just looks so cute. And you know, she is first grand, so we got like thousands of photos. Okay, I'm gonna get this stuck down here. I'm just lining them up with the gingham, and I think I've got no tape on this one yet, so I gotta get that in there. But I think I'm to the spot where I need to be. Okay, let me see if I can lift that up. I hate to, what I want to say, like overlap close to the head for some reason. I don't know what that's all about, but that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Okay. And I think that's centered right there. Yep, that's a spot. Now if I can put it down without it moving. Okay, I think that's good there. And I'm not overlapping her because I try to keep their feet in the picture. It's, you know, it's like if I hate cutting people off like at the ankle and stuff. I don't know, I think maybe I read that in some, you know, how to take pictures book. Okay, so I am going to be using the vintage berry fields or berry, I don't know, it'll be down below. So I'm going to be using those embellishments because it kind of reminded me of a picnic, so I thought, okay, that will work. And I've got this giant doily and I'm going to stick this underneath here, and I might have to cut some of it off. In fact, I think I'll just go ahead and do that because it's going to go under about this much. So let me cut some of that off. Where's my giant scissors? Okay, so I'm going to take off probably about that much because I am going to make it look similar to what the sketch is with my little doily. The whole time I was designing it, I didn't put a doily in there. And then I decided, oh, that could work. It looks girly. So I'm gonna use it. Okay. And I did stick everything down a little too much. Ah! Hopefully I can get it in there without having to start over here. Okay, I think that's where I want to be. Whoa! That was, as Ginger would say, that was getting hairy. Okay, and then on this side, I'm actually just going to let it overlap the pictures. So since she had like those half circle elements in the sketch, I kind of then, it made me think of circles, so I was just, you'll see I am working with circles. Okay, I usually try to, like, you know, here's 3 here. I try to line them up so it looks like there's a plan. Okay, and then she had an embellishment up here, half of one. So I am going to put an embellishment up there. Oh, and guess what? I forgot to poke hole. I might have to go get a drink. Handsome husband, can you get me a drink, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, all of a sudden I got dry throat. I got dry throat thinking I had to punch a hole in this. Okay, I am also using that twine that I picked up at Hobby Lobby at Easter, and I think I got it like for, I don't know, quite a percentage off. So I am going to, I've already put a knot on this end because this is the stuff that it's like it frays super easy. So, oh, actually I think I'm just gonna do this end, and then I think I'm not gonna tie it into a bow. I think I'm just gonna let it hang. Kind of into that today. Okay, so now that I'm trying to get it to fray a little, it's uncooperative. Okay, I'm just gonna trim that and put it over there. Okay, and I'm trying to think of what side I like it when I just, I think I do it from the bottom. I think that's where I like it when I just do this. Yeah, I like that little double thing. Okay, so I'm gonna let it hang like that. And if I decide it's too long, I'll trim it off, but I think that's probably good there. Okay, and so instead of a little half or quarter circle, I'm just gonna be using this tag. And yeah, I think that length works all right. Okay, now where's my embellishment I want for that? Okay, so I am, you know, going to be working on the triangle by using, you know, spreading my colors around, which, you know, there's a little bit of every color. You know what? I thought I'm going to put this foam sticker on the plastic like what it comes on, so it'll be easier to take off. Well, I guess not. It was very uncooperative. Okay, and I'm trying to decide which ways the strawberries actually go. I think they go like this. So I'm going to just kind of let it overlap that. And where is my little sticker I want for there? And I think I'm using this yellow sticker, but I don't know how it got over there. Okay. Yeah, and putting it on the wax paper doesn't work well either. So I don't know what the magic is to work on that. Okay. So then, now I'm gonna have to plan this correctly, because otherwise I won't have my, because once I lay this sticker down, I think it'll be there. Okay. And then I have this one here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put this one here first. And this is from the die cut pack, which was one of the things I got in the Peachy Cheap purchase. And I'm going to put this right here. So I'm kind of bringing in the thought of the picnic. Oh, boy, there's one little dot on there, and it's like, I don't know how I managed to get that on there. And this is from the foam stickers. And again, I thought I was putting it on something that it was safe to put it there and I would still be able to get it off. No, I guess I'm just gonna have to go with the plan where I just cut out that piece. Okay, so I'm gonna put Sunshine here, because she's a sunny girl. Okay, and oh, I kind of bent that. And then Hello. Thought Hello Sunshine is cute. And hubby helped me come up with an idea. You know, I always got to have a second opinion. Okay, so Hello is going to go right here. And then again, I was working with the circles, so I have this, it looks like a Viewmaster. Is that what these things are called? Viewmaster? Viewmaster reel?
Yes.
Okay. It's like, for some reason, I always think it's called something else, and I know that it's not called the other thing. Okay, and this is a sticker. So I think I bought the brads separately, and then this is from the sticker book, this little button. And you know, that's one of those things that it's like I'm always afraid of tearing it up when I'm working with it because those sticker books are really thin. Okay, and then over here on this area, I am gonna make a collage. So I've already got my doily here. And then I have a ticket with laugh on it, because she was definitely having fun and we were giggling and laughing with her. And I'm gonna pull the strawberries down here too, because I'm gonna have a little bit of strawberries everywhere. And then I have this little bike that was in one of the die packs, because there was 2 different die packs that came in the in the Peachy Cheap collection. I have Mente on the brain, because I had somebody say, could you put all your Mente videos all in a playlist? And it's like, oh my gosh, if you've been with me for a while, you know that's a task. I started it. Okay, so then I'm putting the little bike down here, and I just think I was just gonna use the doily over here once I decided I was gonna do the doily, but I love the bike on the doily. I think it's so adorable. Okay, and then I have, it's a strawberry bloom on a brad. And I'm just gonna kind of stick that up in here, give it some dimension. And then I have another foam sticker. Again, it's like, hopefully it's a little, it'll be easy to get off. Sometimes I have to glue them down because the wax paper stays on. And I'm just gonna put it right here behind the bike, like it's just sitting there by the, like the bike is sitting there by the flower. And then I have another one of those Viewmaster reels. And, oh, this has, look at it, it has red twine, just like the twine I used. That's pretty cool. And this was in the die pack again. So I do have a video where I make this kit, and I don't know if I've added anything. I might have added something to it afterwards. Oh, and I actually added their basics papers. Okay, so I'm putting that down here, and it's got a little cow here. Oh, somebody started up something pretty loud out back here. And then I've got the little strawberry, and I'm gonna put that over there because I'm trying to have strawberries in each section. And I'm trying to have yellow in each section. So I've got another little button that's yellow, but it's a brad, so I'm putting that there. And that is it. And it's super, super cute layout. I think it's fun. I think Deb did a fine job giving us a little direction, and then, you know, we get to do what we want after that. So that worked out good. So thank you for joining me. Oh, later on, well, actually just following this video, I'll have a haul video and a fall giveaway. So check that out when you're done, and I will see you tomorrow, and we will be on day 19. Close-ups at the end. See you then. Bye-bye.